The HANNSA YTH10-700M, YTH10-100M, YTH12-700M, YTH12-100M is a CNC turning milling center designed for heavy cutting and versatile machining applications. This ruggedly constructed lathe has a 45-degree slant bed with boxways that exhibit ultra-high stability in heavy cutting. The YTH10-700M, YTH10-100M, YTH12-700M, YTH12-100M is a large capacity machine, making it ideal for cutting large workpieces. Swing over bed reaches a 600 mm diameter. Maximum turning diameter is up to 450 mm. Maximum turning length allowed is 1050 mm. With A2-8 spindle nose specification, coupled with spindle hole diameter of 90 mm, the YTH10-700M, YTH10-100M, YTH12-700M, YTH12-100M is capable of cutting an extra large workpiece. Equipped with a 12-position VDI 40-power turret in combination with C-axis function of the spindle, the YTH10-700M, the YTH10-100M, the YTH12-700M, YTH12-100M is capable of performing turning, milling, drilling, and tapping operations in one setup. The C-axis employs a disc brake for increasing the spindle orientating efficiency and accuracy. An unstable machine structure can adversely affect machining accuracy and cutting stability. Therefore, HANNSA engineers have managed to overcome such problems by optimizing the machine structure design. The YTH10-700M, YTH10-100M, YTH12-700M, and YTH12-100M is designed with a rugged 45-degree slant bed combined with a massive base, providing a solid support for the entire machine. X-Z axes slideways are box-type construction with great span design to provide its exceptional stability, especially when performing heavy cutting. The headstock features efficient heat dissipation that helps reduce thermal deformation of the spindle to a minimum.